everyone. Welcome back to a One English Listening Practice with your host, Robert. Today, we are going to cook something delicious, eggs and toast. Simple, fun, and perfect for breakfast. Listen carefully, watch closely, and try to follow along. By the end, you'll learn some new words, understand the steps, and maybe even cook it yourself. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. Ingredients. Before we start, let's prepare the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 2 eggs. Hold up 2 eggs. 2 slices of bread. Show the bread. A little butter. Show a small piece of butter. Pinch of salt. Pinch some salt between your fingers. Got it? 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, butter, and salt. Simple, right? Let's move on. Section 2. Tools you need. Now, here are the tools you need. A bowl for mixing. A fork to whisk the eggs. A pan to cook the eggs. And a toaster or just a pan for the bread. If you have everything ready, let's start cooking. Section 3. Cooking the eggs. Step 1. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Be gentle. Like this. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Step 2. Add a pinch of salt. Just a little for flavor. Step 3. Mix the eggs with a fork. Stir, stir, stir. Mix until it looks smooth. Now heat a pan on the stove. Add a small piece of butter to the pan. Watch it melt. It smells so good. Pour the eggs into the pan. Cook on medium heat. Use a spoon or spatula to stir the eggs gently. This takes about 2 minutes. Look, the eggs are fluffy and ready. Turn off the stove. Section 4. Toasting the bread. While the eggs are cooking, let's toast the bread. If you have a toaster, put the bread in and press the button. Takes about 1 minute. No toaster? No problem. Use a pan. Heat the pan, place the bread in, and cook for 1 minute on each side. Flip it carefully. Now the bread is golden and crispy. Perfect. Section 5. Serving the food. Time to serve. Place the toast on a plate. Add the eggs on the side or on top of the bread. You can add some butter to the toast or sprinkle some herbs on the eggs for extra flavor. Wow, doesn't it look delicious? And you made it all by yourself. Section 6. Practice questions. Now, let's practice English. Listen and answer these questions. How many eggs did we use? What do we mix the eggs with? How long do we toast the bread? Write your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see them. Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to cook eggs and toast and practiced your English listening skills. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, English Essential Hub, and share it with your friends. Let's keep learning and cooking together. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.